How you doing, guys? Anthony's Reef. This is just a little update on my sump. Yes, a lot of this new Refugium sumps. They're making them with those acrylic hoods and stuff you can remove and you cover. That way you can keep the condensation inside the sump. And, you eliminate some of the evaporation with the water and a lot of the source excrete around your sump and stuff like that. So this sump right here is not a new sump. It's a pretty, it's a pretty old sump. It's doing the work. I don't have no leaks. I have few compartments, for my reef tank. It's doing the job. So, but I had a problem. It was open. I was getting a lot of that condensation into my living room. I live in an apartment in New York, so I don't have that much luxury of a room or a basement to put this sump away. Plus my tank, I hate. A lot of people love the tank high to put the stuff inside. I don't. I like the tank low enough. When I'm sitting down on my sofa, I can view my tank. So I decided to put it right next to the tank. If you see it, right next to the tank. I haven't got no colors yet. I'm going away, so I've been waiting. Once I come back, I get the corals and stuff like that. But my tank has been cycled for a while. The fish are doing great. They're eating. They're healthy. My invertebrates are doing good. The crabs and shrimp. So I needed a cover to cover my sump, but I didn't want to spend too much money on it. So I like to watch the YouTube videos. The Kino do-it-yourself. Joey. He has a lot of ideas how to make hoods out of the plastic, the PVC flexible plastic they sell in Home Depot. So I had an idea. So why not to get a sheet of that? It was like, I think it was 42, I think 48 inches, I think it was. About $21. According to easy to cut. Regular scissors, you can cut this. I cut it to size. It was 42 long by 17 and a half. I cut into size. Very flexible. I drilled the holes right there. The pipe right here. That one right there, that's the emergency overflow. And this one's connected to my carbon reactor, and it's doing great. It's keeping the noise down, the condensation in, the dirt. It's keeping it inside, and it's protecting the LED strip light from splashing salt, and it dimmed a little. It was too bright, I think, for the Kato. The Kato it's growing, it's doing well, but I think the light was too bright, so that dimmed the light a little bit down, and the Kato's doing much better. So it kind of works. Doing a great job. $21. You can beat it. Easy to put on, easy to take off, very flexible. So if you guys want to cover your sump or your Refugium or something, Home Depot or any other hardware store that sell those long plastic PVC flexible sheets, $21. So this was a small update on my Refugium sump. Is working great. My kettle is growing. This thing was the size of my hand. Look how big that thing is now. I only did one water change after 3 months in this tank. I think I did 50%. I haven't done no water change. I got all my results to Triton. I gotta go down when I come back from vacation. It's not really vacation. It's more of a business trip. When I come back, I gotta get all the chemicals they told me to buy. That way I can start putting corals in my tank and soft coral and stuff like that. So guys, I want to say good luck with your tank and have a nice day. Peace.